Hey guys, today my dad bought me two lollipops. Is either a foot or a finger print, and I was expecting it to be big because of the packaging, and small. And it has popping candy, so let's try it.
Yun nga, Ivan, sa ngayon, ang pansamantalang solusyon na ginagawa ng Navotas LGU ay yung binanggit nila na paglalagay nitong sandbags doon sa area o bahagi ng ticket na nasira. Unti-unti naman ang humuhupa yung tubig dito, pero meron pa rin ilang residente na posibleng manatili doon sa kanilang mga kaanak mula sa mga karatig na lugar o sa mga evacuation centers. Yan daw muna yung pansamantalang magagawa habang inaalam pa kung paano yung magiging permanente at pangmatagalang solusyon sa nasira.
Guys, sorry if I'm crunching it. I like to crunch it. The other one, I opened a pink one. Dad bought me a blue one, so I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open the other one. It's cool. By the way, I'm grade 4 and I'm doing my channel. Guys, I'm cooking. Guys, I'm cooking. I wanted to have the finger, but I got the foot. Not the same.
Sa Patuan, Maguindanao del Sur, tila diluyan rin ng lindol ang mga residente.
Ashim? I mean sour.
Sa Davao City, nagdulot ng takot ang lindol. Sa ilang gusali, nagsilabasan ng mga empleyado.
The popping candy is green.
Isang tulay naman ang pansamantalang imandaraan sa Barangay Matina Crossing, Davao City.
See it.
Matapos makitaan ng crack na dulot ng lindol. Pinaalerto ng Davao City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office.
I don't know if you guys hear it. If you don't, comment. Comment, I don't hear it. I'll make it louder in the next video. My dad buying me this. Mama, look what I send you. And Messenger. Don't mind the news. I was watching the news.
Sa timog silangan ng Sarangani Island, Davao Occidental, sa lalim na 79 kilometers. Pinakabatas natin na intensity na naitala or naibigay sa amin na
By the way, guys, if you live somewhere else, I'm from the Philippines.
Sino kausap mo?